Today we're gonna make a quick and easy lunch break jar, which you can take on your travels or your adventures. Now we're gonna continue by chopping up our ingredients. We're gonna take 2 carrots and slice them. Not slice them, you're gonna chop them up as thinly as possible. Then you're gonna take 1/4 of cabbage. I'm gonna do this recipe, by the way, for 2 lunch jars, so just adjust the, how it's called, measurement. And also chop it up as thinly and small as possible. Now I'm going to take some pre-cooked beans. You can take some sugar snap peas, fresh ones, and also cut it as small as possible. I'm going to take 2 spring onions and also chop them. Then you're going to take 1 small piece of ginger and grate it. And then you're going to take 1 clove of garlic and also grate it. And last but not least, you're going to take 1 small chili pepper and also chop it. First, you're going to cook 200 grams of Chinese quick cooking noodles according to package instructions. Now we can assemble our jar. You're going to start with putting your noodles. Crumble a veggie stock cube over it. And now your jar is ready to go on one of your adventures. When you're ready to eat, you're just gonna pour some boiling water over it. What kind of coincidence was this? So it fits perfectly. And then you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce for seasoning. And a hint of lime juice. Now you're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. It's not so easy. Let's eat.